Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my series. This is part three. I'm installing a light fixture in my office bathroom. Oh, I still love that wallpaper. Okay, so this light fixture, it has three light globes. It is a gold tone, and the glass globes are green, a gorgeous green. So I can't wait to show you what this looks like. The installation for this light was, I'm going to say it was easy mid as far as difficulty level, but it looked great. And I am going to pause a minute. Well, I'll speed this video up so you can take a look at what this light fixture looks like. This is a very important step. Be sure to turn off the power source to your light. Number one step before installing the light. So now that your power is off, take some time to really examine your light fixture. Try to make it as easy as possible. If you don't have to use the bracket that comes with it and you can use the bracket that's already on your wall, use that. Connect white cord to white cord. Try not to drop it like I did. Black cord to black cord. And there will be a ground wire. It's normally a copper wire that you will wrap around. There's normally like a green screw on the bracket. So you will wrap that around the bracket. Once you connect these, because you're connecting them using, if you can see the little orange nut screws. So you're going to put both ends of your wire together using those nut screws, and you're going to have some extra wire you have to put into the conjunction box. You can then secure it. There's going to be a screw at the bottom. On this one is at the bottom and at the top, and that's how you get it tightened. I am now going to test my bulb to see if I have light. So I'm just going to start with one bulb. I'm not going to put all three in there. I'm just going to put one to see if I have light. So I went down to my panel box to turn the power back on so I can have electricity. And then I am going to add the bulb. Once I add the bulb, I'm going to flip the switch and hope that we have light. And we have light. So now this gives me the go ahead to start to complete the complete the installation of the globes. We have the green globes, we have all the light bulbs, and everything works nicely, and I love the look.